The Model 29 is different from a number of the daisies that we normally think of as daisy BB guns, in that it is both a pump action and it uses a force feed magazine. The majority of the daisy guns you run into actually use a gravity feed system, affectionately referred to as rattle traps. And the Model 25, to load it with BBs, you unscrew it here at the muzzle, the shot tube slides out, and it actually has a spring-fed magazine here. We pull a magazine follower back, catch it in the clip there, and hold it, or it will slap your fingers pretty darn hard. And then go ahead and drop BBs through the hole here. It will hold up to 50 BBs. And since they're under spring tension, we don't have the misfires that are common in the gravity feed or rattle trap